What's up everyone, today's review is Sonos 5 speaker. Let's get started. Introducing Sonos 5. Enjoy thousands of sessions, including live radio and exclusive programming, on your system through the Sonos app. A new look. The updated design features new details and a monochromatic finish. The latest technology, increased memory and processing power, provide improved performance. Studio quality. Experience vividly clear, room-filling sound for music streaming, Bible, and more. Enjoy control with the app and Apple AirPlay 2. Deep bass. 5's unrivaled acoustic design features 3 high exclusion woofers within a sealed architecture that eliminates reverb and echo. Smart stereo sound. Horizontal. When positioned horizontally, 5 automatically separates the left and the right channels for impressive stereo sound. Vertical. Pair 2 speakers and each smartly adjusts to mono for more detailed stereo separation and an even wider soundstage. Line in and play. Connect your turntable, CD player, projector, or other device directly to 5 using the 3.5mm jack. If you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, smash the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.